Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ankeecodeverse. So let's start storyboarding for a live project and bring those ideas to life. Storyboard is a great way to visualize and plan the project flow and designs. Check out the feature on the storyboard's right hand side options for size, top bar, bottom bar, keyboard settings, and most importantly, the initial view controller section. You can select the simulated size according to the specific design requirements. You can customize the class name and add the storyboard ID as per your preference. On the top right side, by clicking on the plus icon, you can select various options such as label, button, and other elements to add to your storyboard. Then just drag and drop them into the view controller. We will learn about table view cells, and image view step by step, taking it one thing at a time. So let's clear everything and create a simple splash screen. Step 1. Select background color for the view. You can also add a background image as per your preference. Step 2. Click on the plus icon, search for UI image view and drag drop the image view into the storyboard. Click on the bottom right third option and select Add New Constraint. Include constraint for leading, top, bottom, trailing edges. However, I will remove them now as we have just added a logo to the center of view controller. We have added horizontal and vertical constraints that center the elements of the view controller. To set the height and width, simply click on the constraint and update them accordingly. You can add a background color under the UI image, but for now I will remove it. And moving on, third step, go to the asset section and drag the logo that image downloaded from the internet into the project. You can change the name and simply copy the name and paste over the image section. So the background color not looking good now, so we will change the color perfectly. Step 4 is create a class, choose a Cocoa Touch class and move to next. Choose the subclass option which is UI view controller and add the name, move to next. Go to the storyboard, easily change the class name and add the storyboard ID. Run the app, just click on the left on top play icon and you can run with the command plus R option. Waiting for the launching, you can see some white screen coming from the launching time. Going to the launch screen, copy with paste some logo and add constraint over here and run again. So we had create a splash screen and we can customize it by adding animations and video and GIF files under the splash screens. Stay tuned for the upcoming video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribe.